Greetings to everyone. So, last class we have discussed about nitrogen cycle, that is an example of biogeochemical cycle. Now we are going for biomagnification. So, what is this biomagnification? So, it is also known as bioamplification or biological magnification. It is the increase in concentration of a pollutant that occurs in a food chain as a consequence of persistence. Persistence means which is already present and which cannot be broken down. Then by bioenergetics in the food chain and low rate of internal degradation or excretion of the substance, often due to water insolubility. So the pollutant stays, that is, the concentration of the pollutant increases because of these three reasons. So biomagnification occurs when substances such as pesticides or heavy metals move up the food chain by working their way into the environment. Example, pollutants in rivers or lakes are taken up by the microorganisms, that is like planktons, which are eaten by the aquatic organisms such as fishes, which in turn by birds, animals, and then humans. So the substances become concentrated in the tissues of or the internal organs as they move up the chain. So as a result, organisms at the top of the food chain generally suffer greater harm from a persistent toxin or pollutant than those at lower levels. So at each level of the food chain, there is a lot of energy loss. A predator may consume, may prey, including all their lipophilic substances and fats, which carries the pollutants, which then accumulates in the fats of the predator. Suppose there is a pollutant fixed in the trophic level that is being eaten by the plants, and those plants are eaten by herbivores. Herbivores are eaten by carnivores. Carnivores are eaten by top carnivores, and then by the humans also. So that pollutant may be inside the humans also. They are present in our tissues and our body. Suppose there is a methyl mercury. Okay, so biomagnification of methyl mercury in the ecosystem. Suppose you have this methyl mercury bioaccumulation in organisms. Example of this is this. So you can see here in the plants there is a small red dot, right? And then in small fishes it is like a better dot, and then in big fishes it is like a big dot, and then coming to the animals, that is uh, here a bigger dots you can see. That means the see in humans also in the tissues you can see a big dot. That is, methyl mercury is getting accumulated in the tissues of the greater organisms. Okay, as trophic level increases, the tissues, that is the pollutant also fixes in our tissues. So it occurs in almost all types of ecosystems, that is terrestrial, aquatic, etc. Then coming to bioaccumulation. So bioaccumulates are toxic substances that increase in concentrations in tissues of living organisms. So they enter the organisms through the contaminated air, water, or food and are very slowly metabolized or excreted. So bioaccumulation is the concentration of polluted from environment which occurs within a trophic level. That is one level only. See, biomagnification is from one level to the other level, whereas bioaccumulation is only in one particular trophic level. Okay, so you can see here the contaminant levels. Okay, so bioaccumulation. See here in the down figure, it is biomagnification. That is, the levels of the pollutants are increasing here, whereas here from the small fish to the bigger fish, that's all. Only one trophic level. You can see the time also. That is, within increasing time, the accumulation is also getting increased. Okay, then In order of biomagnification to occur, the pollutant must be long-lived, mobile, or soluble in fats and biologically active. So already we told you. Example, you can give us DDT, that is dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane, or you have chlorinated hydrocarbons used as pesticides. Okay, so all these things you can give as examples. Then what are the effects of bioaccumulation? So you have many cuisines. So if you go for these beautiful or decorated cuisines, then you have to think about the bioaccumulation as well as magnification. So many of you might be eating fishes or anything. So please be careful with the pollutants. Okay. Thank you.